Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a review on the Bobbi Boss Lyna Sleek Bob Wig from Bobbi Boss. I'm going to show you guys the stock card. And this is in the color MLF 217 and the color number 2. This is Lyna Sleek. Everybody has been like raving about this wig as far as how sleek it is and everything, and how nice it is and how long it lasts, and giving updates on it and all this other good stuff. And I just had to try this wig only because I was like, I have to find out what I like about this wig and just do a review on it, because I just wanted to see for myself. So as you guys can see, this is the color number 2. And this is how it looks on the side. Let me turn to the side for you guys. And then let me turn to the other side. And this is how as symmetrical as it is. It is the bomb. I mean, I already like this wig. Even coming out of the box, it is like super straight. It is super sleek. It has so much body. As you guys can see, it's a 5-inch deep part, and you do not have to do anything to the wig. Only thing you probably would want to do, and it's very optional if you want to put foundation, powder, or concealer in the part. I personally don't recommend that. That's just my personal preference, because you guys have to admit this wig is bomb. And look at the part. Just look at the parting space. So the parting space does not need any plucking. So if you want to pluck it, that's a personal preference. I don't really pluck my wigs like that, especially if the part doesn't need any kind of customization. And that's pretty much it. Now, as far as the density on this wig, I would say close to about 120 or 125%, just about. It's not too full, but it's full enough for like a nice bob. So I would call this this is a nice sleek bob, and you don't have to flat iron it if you don't want to. I was gonna flat iron to kind of like bump the ends a little bit so it can be like straighter. But I see why everybody was raving about this wig. This wig is awesome, and I just love, it's just a freaking bob. Like, this is something that is like for everyday wear, every day, all day, 24/7. I was looking for something that I could wear to work every single day, something that I can go ahead and just be like, okay, I can wear this every day to work. And that's pretty much it. I did order this wig from SoGoodBB.com, and I only paid $19.99. They had a sale, a promo sale going on the Yara series, on all the Bobbi Boss wigs. Only the Yara series. They had a sale for that, so I took advantage of it, and this wig was only like 20 bucks. So I was like, let me get this wig and review it, because first of all, 2 weeks ago it was $24.99 on Amazon, and then last week the sale was $19.99 on the Yara series. So I will leave a link directly to this wig below in the description box so you guys can check it out. But there are tons and tons of reviews on this wig, and I just wanted to do one myself just so you guys can see how I like the wig personally. I'm absolutely loving this wig. I like this wig a lot. I think it's perfect for every single day. If you're a working woman, I think it's perfect, but you could just slide this bad boy on. It's a get up and go kind of wig, and I like that. You don't have to do any customization to the wig, no plucking, no adding powder or foundation and concealers at all with this wig. And that's what I love, because you can just throw this wig on and then just go out the door. Make sure that it's nice and sleek, and that's it. And by me living in the state that I live in, it's hot all the time, and I wanted something nice and short and sleek, and that's pretty much it. And again, I got this wig from SoGoodBB.com. Thank you guys. And on top of that, this wig was not sent to me. I bought this with my own money. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to come and give you guys a quick review of this Bobbi Boss lace front Swiss lace. It's silky yaki, by the way. 5-inch deep part is safe for heat. And this is in the number 2, and this is by Bobbi Boss. And then on the back of the stock card, it actually has the model that has the wig on and showing you what color it is and how it'll look on your head if you decide to try this wig. So if you're looking for something short and sleek and chic, I definitely will check this wig out. SoGoodBB.com is where I got my wig from, and it took about a week for my wigs to come. I'm gonna be doing a review on the model pearl wig, and that'll be my next video. But until then, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.